This came today, FedEx. FedEx does deliver on Sunday, not on Monday. Finally came from Illinois. $94, cheaper than the local Lowe's and Home Depot and all that stuff. This should fit. It's supposed to be, it's a new model number, but fits the old size. We will find out shortly. No tax, 94 bucks. See what this thing comes with.
Custom.
They say I'm in no mood to be getting onto this sink right now.
Hopefully we have little accessories to unboxing. Okay.
Unboxing video.
We have one of these already. We have one of those. Probably reuse that.
Now why don't they have that little rubber that goes around? Maybe it's in there. You could.
Maybe.
There it is, right there.
Oh yes, this thing. Yes, you see those in the trash a lot too.
That goes over the lip.
Yep, you see those in the trash. Okay, let's inspect it carefully for cracks or drop damage. It looks okay. It does come with foam. That is nice.
Foam on the bottom of the box.
Okay, that's our little discharge chute over there.
We should have that in here.
Should. Looks like it.
Discharge chute.
That's for
This
a dishwasher.
one here, we gotta knock out that little tab in there
that's
for
the hole
dishwasher.
for our wires. And the
There's
strainer
our
leaf.
wires.
I don't know if it has a strainer leaf. We can reuse the old one. It's just a plastic grommet in there. Reset button.
And it should come with the tool. Oh, the tool's in here.
Here, should be.
Tool's in there. The hexagon tool.
Country of origin, USA.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's see that.
Benton Harbor. Does it say USA? Country of origin. You say USA, right?
Damn. Is
Don't
that
give them
possible?
don't give them our serial number. We're gonna warranty it. No. Half horsepower. It looks the same, dude. No cracks on it.
Unbelievable.
careful.
Made in the USA. Thank you, President Trump. This
Ooh,
could
what's
be
in
made
here?
in Mexico.
Oh, I see. See, these things, ours are all rusted.
Yeah.
You see the little fingers? They move around now. Inside. I think they're
Yeah.
supposed to do that. Ours are rusted shut. You see the little
All
finger in
right.
there?
15 years old. I never had one of these in my
So
life
that's
till I
supposed to-
moved here.
As it goes, it's supposed to freewheel. Didn't even know. Ours is so bad in there with the rust. Look at that thing, like brand new. You need a light.
Nice and clean. Yes,
Yep.
ours is rusty in there.
Very rusty.
All right, good to go.
All right, let's go bring it inside and go play around later. No problem.
Underneath the sink, I just took the two bolts out of this little black elbow here. We're going to disconnect it here and try and drop this sucker down. Take off that right there is for the dishwasher. That comes off. Little
Worm clamp.
worm clamp on it with a flat blade, and we'll drop this thing down.
Might be water in here. No. Okay.
Okay, next thing we're going to take this little white clamp off right here in a counterclockwise direction. Counterclockwise the other way. Okay, that'll take it right off. We're done with that.
This thing's grip nice. And then jamming it.
Now try not to even, here, we'll just see if we can get it out of the way.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, that's good. Alright.
Forward.
Oh, you know what? We're going to have to get that off anyway, so why don't we try and get that off?
Whole thing off?
Yeah, until we see if it lines up.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep going like that.
Oh, I see. The only thing they cut is
Okay,
this end.
that's right up. Okay, let's get that out of there.
Yeah, I probably should put a new thing on there anyway. It's a little meh.
Alright. Okay, now we're going to try and get this thing off over here. We got to get up in these little brackets and go clockwise direction, I believe. Alright, see what we can do here.
That should just turn. No, that's a spinning.
Oh, the actual thing's gotta move.
Yeah.
All
This
right.
has to move.
Let me get a thing up here. I moved the little thing a bit to the side
A screwdriver.
here, and the whole sucker should drop right down. Okay,
right
can
up
you
there,
get in
okay.
there and turn that thing?
Yep.
It's gonna be heavy. It's heavy. Okay, that's
Wow,
all
2
there is to
seconds.
it. That's all there is to
You
it.
gotta be using wires though. We didn't put one of the
Okay.
wires.
Now we're gonna play with wires.
Just shut up. That damn dog's barking again. These come kind of strange.
Well, if we don't get that, we probably have one in the garage, a little thing that holds the wire.
Yeah, no, this comes out somehow though. Let me just look at this. I have got.
We're trying to get this little nugget out right here that holds the wire. Remember, when you're putting this wire on, it's all black cable. But to my recollection, the one on the outside with the little ridge in it is your neutral wire. And if the way I follow it up here, that's definitely to where it's going, to the white wire. So the one with the little ridge on it, when you get wire like this, appliance wire, the side with the little ridge is the neutral. The far right side then would be the hot in this case. T5.
Oh, E5.
E5.
Like internal torques.
Internal torques, these screws are. We can't get that wire out, so
Yeah, probably-
that's going to take the damn machine apart.
Probably nobody has one of these if they're just a regular person. You can use a 6-sided socket on those as well.
What else is it used for? Steering column?
Yeah, a lot of little bolts like that. Just remember the weird seat bolts on your car too? They're kind of similar. Oh yeah.
See what happens.
We're getting them all out. Hopefully this freaking splits. It's not running out of ideas here.
Maybe that plate will just come off on the bottom.
Maybe
We'll see.
they're holding that plate on here, right? Nope.
I don't think so.
Oh man. Plan B. Stupid wire.
You're just going to have to cut the wire and
You might have to.
leave it at that. Alright, we had to knock out that little plug for the dishwasher and then fish it out of the hole in there, pain in the ass. I'm not going through changing this thing on the top, man. I'm just all this should go new in the sink and everything. I'm just hooking this one up right up to the old one, man. I'm done with this.
I should have crimped it first.
Okay, we put this little doohickey on over here to hold the wire tight
Put that
once we
out
fish it
first, though.
through.
Put that in.
I'll put that over the thing first. Now we're
Yes.
talking.
No, we won't have to do that.
Open that nice and wide.
I keep going around the bend, bending the wire.
That screws right in without the nut from the other side. Better than using this old plastic thing we had over here.
No, I was gonna use the old plastic thing. Not wasting good parts on this house.
The kid doesn't want to spend an extra 20 cents here.
It's probably more than that now with these prices.
I just found a whole bunch of these plumbing pieces right in front of my development on the main drag. Must have fell off a guy's truck. All toilet, shut-off valves, quarter turn, some real nice stuff. I should take a picture of it. Bags of elbows,
So the rib went to white, right?
ribbed went to the white.
Yeah. And I think I have small. These might fit.
Everything in here is lining up just right.
A whole lot of
Just gotta
That's pretty
turn the actual machine to line up with
Yeah,
the
this
drain
collar
pipe
over
and then
here.
turn that, tighten up that thing up top, that clamp.
Movement this way.
Yeah, so that looks set up good. And the
Yeah,
other,
we just gotta get that up that next notch.
and we got to get a screwdriver in one of those rings and turn it again toward the right. Yeah, they said you could use that too. You should hear a snap there saying. You want to put the screws in there first? Or?
Maybe very loosely, but I don't want it turning on me with the pipe connected because then it could go pop. This thing's even threaded over here.
Why don't you use these new ones?
Yeah. No, I think I'm just. No, they're going in. I like that. Kind of gold ones. Then again, I hate this place anyway, so.
Yeah, this ring up here, we gotta go until it pops, they say.
Yeah, it's that next little pop over there. It's gonna be very loose. I'm hearing a pop.
Yeah, let's give it a go anyway.
And I think it's there. I think it's there.
I am hoping to God this doesn't leak. This is the washing machine discharge on here now. That's not a problem. I'm going to put a little pipe dope around this bottom fitting and test this sucker out. We didn't get the snap noise up on the ring, so, but I think we're in there.
Hope so.
You just put a little thread sealant around there instead of Teflon tape. I'm not a fan of Teflon tape.
Yeah, it works. This stuff works pretty tacky though. I have used this stuff in the past. It was at the Home Depot. How tight does that need to be?
Everything's flowing out, so it's not a problem.
I don't know. It's just hand tight for now.
Okay, chicken for leaks. Got water going down a hole. The machine's on. Guess we'll have to test it with some real stuff, but whatever. As long as nothing's leaking. We'll leave this pan in here overnight just to make sure.
Yeah, that's good to me.